The Ratabari Police Station in Assam achieved a significant breakthrough by arresting 2 young men and recovering a firearm along with a substantial amount of counterfeit currency from their possession. The arrest took place as a duo attempted to transport the illegal items on a motorcycle. The arrested individuals, both residents of Nilam Bazar, Assam, were intercepted by the Ratabari police during a proactive patrol or sting operation. The police operation led to the recovery of the contraband, which was cleverly hidden under the seat of their motorbike. 1 meter pistol, 1 live round was found loaded in the recovered pistol. Fake currency notes totaling Rs 48,000. The arrested youths have been identified as Abidur Rahman and Anwar Hossain. The Ratabari Police Station has registered a case and is currently subjecting the 2 arrested individuals to intensive interrogation. Pure report, Chini Khorang.